This is a replica of the sequence teens board that we have in the environment. So once the child is very thorough with the names, that is the traditional names of the teens in arithmetic, then you can go ahead and show them how the symbols are formed for the teens. Okay, so we have a template card like this, and we have loose cards like this from 1 to 9. Make sure they are in order. Do not shuffle these cards at the beginning. Okay, then you ask them, what is this? This is 10. Now we know that 10 and 1 makes, we wait for the child to say 11. Right. And this is how we write 11. 10 and 1 makes 11. Now 10 and 2 makes 12. And this is how we write 12. 10 and 3 makes 13. So as you keep the cards, please make sure that you repeatedly say the traditional names. And once the child has placed all the numbers, then you can take the small cards, keep them mixed up, and you can ask the child to form quantities randomly. Can you form 15 here? Can you form 11 here? Can you form 19 here? Okay, so random recognition of teens happen here.